Food lovers, we have fried rice and we have this fried rice. This fried rice recipe is a must try because everybody loved this rice, especially my mom because she knows how to cook too. So in your pot, you're going to fry your rice with some vegetable oil and curry. Then after that, you're going to go in with some water, onions, any spice of choice. I use bay leaf, rosemary, cloves, seasoning and salt, and some paprika for a little bit of color. But the main star for this recipe is this trusted flavors mixed spices. Almost it took this rice dish from 0 to 99%. So cover that and allow it to cook. While that it's cooking, you're going to fry your seasoned fish. I use mackerel for this with little bit of shower because that's what I had, and just fry that and set aside. Now in the same pot, you're going to fry some onions, ginger, garlic paste, and scotch bonnet. Now go in with your vegetables of choice and seasoning of choice too. You don't want your veggies bland, you need that heat and taste in it. So go in with your fried fish, give everything a good stir. You want everything to intertwine and mingle and release all the flavors. And then now back to our rice. Once it's cooked like this, you're going to add in your fried fish and veggies, and voila. I swear you need to try this. This was one of the best recipes I created this year. Okay, bye.